So we're going through some things that you might find in your kitchen that are somebody else's failure.
Yeah.
So
our cabinets are always way worse failures than this.
Oh,
but
yeah.
This could be fixable.
And this actually isn't that bad. Some of you might have this and you did this on purpose, so we're not judging you, all right?
No, so this doesn't actually, this is just a base cabinet. So whether you don't like your cabinets or they're okay and you just want to freshen them up, you can use contact paper or wallpaper in any pattern. This is kind of a country.
This is very
This is like beadboard, right? And at home, I would use contact cement.
You don't put it on with double stick tape like we're doing. That's just for
keeping the studio clean.
Contact cement.
Contact cement or wallpaper adhesive, one or the other.
Gotcha. But what an inexpensive, cool way to brighten up your kitchen and change it seasonally if you want to.
And then you can paint it any color you want.
Very cool.
We're just going with white.
And so you're going to paint your beadboard. Hopefully I don't get this paint on me because that's and not on you. It's a standard operating procedure.
New Yorkers wear black every day because we don't show stains.
Yeah. No.
So whatever color you want, mix it up, get some new cabinet hardware.
I love that.
You pretty much have a new kitchen
simple.
cabinet.
Money.
Simple, yeah. And this is what the cabinet looks like when it's done, and you put it back up on the wall.